Welcome to Turbo Talk. Today we are diving into the Mitsubishi Delica Mini, a rugged yet compact car that brings genuine adventure-ready styling and practicality in a pint-size package. 1. Exterior design. Styled after its large Delica sibling, the Delica Mini features Mitsubishi's bold dynamic shield front fascia, boxy proportions, chunky skid plates, body cladding, roof rails, and 15A-cube wheels, giving it real SUV-like presence, despite its tiny 3.4 Macron M length. 2. Interior. The cabin is cleverly spacious for 4 adults, with an upright seating position and sliding rear bench, moves up to 320 Macron. It includes stain-resistant water-repellent fabrics, handy cup holders, tray tables, and a 9-inch touchscreen, all built for outdoor use. 3. Performance. Under the hood is a 660 Macron cc 3-cylinder engine offering either 52 Macron HP, NA, or 64 Macron HP, turbo, often paired with a mild hybrid motor adding 3 Macron HP. A CVT sends power to FWD, or 4WD, with selectable grip control and hill descent control. 4. Engineering tech. The Delica Mini rides on a tuned suspension, higher ride height for AWD, all-wheel drive system, and features adaptive LED headlights, lane keep assist, traffic sign recognition, Me Pilot adaptive cruise, and safety systems like automatic braking. 5. Driving experience. While city-friendly and surprisingly capable off-road, the Delica Mini balances practicality and fun with decent cabin quietness, smooth ride, and SUV-style confidence. It stands out among cars, especially for adventure-minded buyers. 6. Final thoughts. The Delica Mini brings big car personality to the segment. Rugged styling, clever practicality, AWD fun, and clever safety tech make it a refreshing choice. For those wanting microvan convenience with some outdoor attitude, it's a smart pick. Thank you for joining us.